Hello, my name is Giselle, and you found this video because you were looking for what can you do with an electrical engineering degree. Now, first of all, thanks for clicking on that link to listen to this video. And what I want to tell you is that for 10 plus years, I've been an electrical engineer, and there are a lot of things that you can do with an electrical engineering degree, and sometimes you have to think outside the box, right? Now you can work in places that do any sort of manufacturing, from something as small as a cookie or a cake to beer to plastics, etc. Any sort of manufacturing industry, you can get a job there because that plant or that factory has to run on electrical systems. You could also look towards the more heavy industrial plant. For example, if you may be in a country that processes oil and all the byproducts, for example, methanol, ammonia, that kind of thing, you can get jobs there as well. You could also get jobs with contractors which actually service these factories and big industrial plants, because they are running on electrical systems. For example, their power system, their fire and gas system, their different safety systems, instruments, controls. All of these are required for the plant to run smoothly. So there are contractors that actually offer their services to maintain these systems or to even upgrade them and install new ones, right? So you could look for a job with those kinds of contractors. You can also, depending on what country that you live in, if your industrial sector is expanding, you could actually work with a contractor that builds plants and factories, right? You could also work with state enterprise. For example, those enterprises that provide public utilities, for example, water, electricity, heat, telecommunications, etc. They all require electrical systems to run smoothly, so you can do that. Also, you could think outside the box. For example, in my country where a lot of construction is going on, you could work with a mechanical contractor, because most likely when a plant is to be built, a mechanical contractor is given the entire package, right? And they then subcontract to the electrical contractor. But they would need someone electrical on their end so that they could supervise that electrical contractor. So you can actually, work with a mechanical engineering firm or company, right? So I assume that you have actually been looking for what can you do with an electrical engineering degree, because you probably have just gotten your degree and you're wanting to find a job, and you probably find it hard to get a job. Now, when I got my first job probably 10 plus years ago, I actually had to wait 6 to 7 months before I got a job, and I could tell you that was quite frustrating. And seeing the basically what the global economy is like, I have to be frank with you. Depending on where you live in the world, I live in the Caribbean, you might find it hard. It might take you a lot longer than it did for me to find a job. So if you are interested, I could offer you an alternative. Now, over my 10 plus years as an engineer, I've always generated an extra income, and I transitioned from different types of businesses. Now I'm doing an online marketing business, right? And so I can do work from home via the internet, and I've actually transitioned out of the electrical engineering field to being full-time online. And if this is something you might be interested in, to probably fill a hole while you're waiting on a job, as well as to do alongside your job, you could take a look at the link below. Click on the link or the button that you see below, and you might just find that earning an income online is simpler than you thought, right? Now you have to put in your email address, and I promise you I will not spam you because I hate spam myself, right? And when you put in your email address, you will find a video about what I'm talking about, right? Me and my friends, we're having fun with this business. So if you are interested, I hope you enjoy. If you aren't, best of luck in your career. Bye.